Audio is really a passion of mine. We do a lot of live stuff as we're a theatre-based school, so a lot of the disciplines are working on actual productions and shows in WAAPA with the other disciplines, so actors, music theatre students, musicians obviously, how we're recording in the other room right now.
I got the chance to go to Ryerson University in Canada for 2 months. It was pretty amazing. We got to meet a whole heap of amazing people and work alongside people in the industry over there. It was pretty cool being over the other side of the world and having the opportunity from WAAPA to head over there as part of my course. I love the diversity of training at WAAPA. It's pretty cool the way the course runs. We do a lot of practical work along with the theory in class, and it's a nice balance. We kind of get to choose the avenue we go down. So while I'm interested mostly in live sound and working in theatre and all those things, we still do units in film and in studio recording, post-production work, and we really go down every avenue and we learn how to work in every part of the industry. So by the end of our course, we're kind of set up with a baseline knowledge at least of how the industry operates.
If you want a general feel of audio, working in slightly different fields within the sound production world, WAAPA definitely offers you that.
WAAPA does a pretty good job, the fact that we are able to work in productions.
Being in the studios and recording, editing would be my way to go in the wide spectrum of sound.
I've actually done a lot of work with the music students, and I'm trying to bridge that gap between the production design and the music world, because we've got all these amazing musicians over in the contemporary and jazz programs and classical, and we've got this amazing facility here to record them. I could not recommend this course highly enough. It's the experiences I've had and the networking opportunities that I've had during my time here have been amazing and incredible, and I've received so much work out in the industry while I've been doing my course.